7 Action News, always taking action for you.
Good evening. The crisis keeps getting worse for General Motors.
The automaker is drastically expanding its ignition switch recall.
General Motors is adding almost 1 million small cars to that list, most of them sold here in the U.S. The total number of cars now affected, about 2.6 million. This coming on top of some already disturbing news from GM today.
7 Action News reporter Julie Bonovich is live at a dealership in Southfield. Julie, this is frightening news for drivers.
It definitely is. And can you imagine if you just bought a car? Since General Motors doesn't know which of their small cars may have been retrofitted with bad ignition switches, the automaker recalled all models of the cars. The latest recall involves 6 vehicles: the Chevrolet Cobalt, Chevrolet HHR, Pontiac G5, Pontiac Solstice, Saturn Ion, and Saturn Sky. This latest recall comes just days before GM CEO Mary Barra will go to Washington, D.C. to testify before Congress. She's already been reaching out to customers.
You are our compass. You are at the heart of everything we do.
The automaker announced this latest recall just hours after some more bad news. GM told all of their dealers to stop selling the 1.4-liter Chevy Turbo Cruze from 2013 and 2014 model years. A worried Aaron Nance called his dealer immediately. He just leased 2 brand new Chevy Cruzes on Monday for him and his wife.
I'd hate to have, my wife driving or, me driving with having the kids in the car and something major go wrong.
Aaron says the dealer told him the vehicles went by VIN numbers and his was not on the recall list.
He, did a double, triple check, make sure our cars weren't on there and our cars weren't on the list.
Aaron says he's still worried, but not scared enough to stop driving the cars.
I honestly don't think I would stop driving it just because of it. If there was some kind of recall that were to come up for him, he'd definitely inform us.
GM still has not said why they told dealers to stop selling the vehicles. And if you're worried about your car, you should do what Aaron did and contact your dealer immediately. Live from Southfield, Julie Bonovich, 7 Action News.
All right, Julie, thank you for that live report and that update on what's going on there. By the way, as Julie mentioned, GM's CEO Mary Barra will be testifying in Washington next Tuesday and Wednesday. 7 Action News will be there beginning Monday. Investigator Ross Jones will be live in our nation's capital to cover Barra's testimony. Also, he'll be talking with the congressional leaders who are now looking into the GM recall and all this other news that's going on.